Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on Bitget Wallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on Bitget Wallet, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bitget Wallet application. The home page of Bitget Wallet application will appear on the screen. Click on box icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on My Wallet option. Now all you need to do is tap on Modify Wallet Name. From the pop-up, tap on Custom Name, edit your name and click on Confirm. This is how you can change your username on Bitget Wallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.